I just used the Aura Pulse with the Wave Oasis mat. I want one for my house, like right now.
There's some rumors about some new machines maybe coming out, so that gets us pretty excited about coming down here. Once they unveil it, then we usually get to use it out here, see what it's like. We've got 2 Oasis mats that we use in the office, and we probably would have never bought them through a virtual, but once you lay on it, you actually use it, it makes you a believer.
The livestock demonstration was great. I actually was posting about it. I don't work on livestock all that much, but I actually got a new client yesterday just from seeing my post of them doing the livestock demonstration. Got me a new client and a new opportunity to, branch into the livestock industry a little bit more, so I'm stoked.
We have horses and we've been using MagnaWave, but just knowing exactly where to place the wands, exactly where to put everything, and being positive about that without second guessing is helpful.
The trip to Churchill Downs was fantastic. We had a blast, good food, made a little money. I tripled my bankroll. I can't say anything else about that.
Oh my gosh, Churchill's Downs was incredible. It gave me absolute chills just hearing those race horses, the thundering hoofbeats. It was incredible.
Churchill Downs was on my bucket list, and I actually teared up. To experience it and the race and everything brought back childhood memories with my dad, everything. It was great.
You're really missing out if you do not come for this experience. We've met some fantastic people that we wouldn't have met otherwise.
I think everybody, if they have the opportunity, should come to MagnaCon 2026, virtual or in person. One of a kind. You're not going to find anything better to optimize yourself and your business and take everything to a whole new level.
Yeah, come, because you need to know the new and exciting things that are happening. MagnaWave is on the cutting edge of so many things, and they seem to be improving every year. So there's new stuff coming.
MagnaCon 2026 will be the 20th anniversary of MagnaCon. Going to be here in Louisville. It's going to be a fantastic experience.